You are welcome to this math class. In this video, I will solve problem in Math Olympiad that says 5 raised to power sine squared x plus 5 cos squared x equals to 6. Let's get started. Recall that sine squared x equals to 1 minus cos squared x. Here we will apply this in this equation. Where we see sine square x, we substitute it with 1 minus cos square x. Therefore, I write 5 into 1 minus cos square x plus 5 to the power of cos square x equals to 6. Therefore, we can write this to be 5 over 5 cos square x plus 5 raised to power cos square x equals to 6. Let's u equals to 5 cos square x. I'll substitute u where we have 5 cos square x. So this becomes 5 over u plus u equals to 6. If I find the LCM, this becomes 5 plus u squared equals to 6u. Let's write upward. That formula is that u squared minus 6u plus 5 equals to 0. This forms a quadratic equation. Quickly, we will analyze this. This becomes u squared. We have to obtain the factors of 5u squared, the product of the equation, which is 5 and u. So we can write this to be minus 5u minus u plus 5 equals to 0, such that if I add these two, I'll have minus 6u, which is the major number. If I multiply minus u and minus 5u, I'll have plus 5u squared, which is the product, this multiplied by this. So we have this to be u into u minus 5 minus 1 bracket u minus 5 equals to 0, such that if I multiply u to u, I'll have u squared. U times minus 5, I have minus 5u. Minus 1 times u will give me minus u. Minus 1 times minus 5 will give me plus 5. So this, what is in the bracket here is the same as this. So we'll take 1. U minus 5. Bracket, the outer values are u and minus 1. We take u minus 1 equals to 0. It means that u minus 5 equals to 0, or u minus 1 equals to 0. Therefore, u equals to 5 plus 5, or u equals to 1. Recall that we have the expression here, let u equals to 5 raised to power cos square x. So we will say, therefore, when we use 5 here, 5 will be 5 cos square x. And this 5 can also be written as 5 raised to power 1. They are the same, such that we will cancel this out. We have that cos square x equals to 1. Therefore, cos x will now be square root of 1, and which is what? 1. X will give us cos inverse of 1. And cos inverse of 1 is 0. So therefore x equals to 0. We have that. Let's now substitute the next value of u, which is 1. I'll claim this side. So when u equals to 1, then we have that 1 equals to 5 raised to power cos square x. This, in indices, it can be 1 can be expressed as 5 raised to power 0 equals to 5 cos square x. So if this cancels this, we are left with cos square x equals to 0. Therefore, cos x equals to square root of 0 equals to 0. Therefore, cos inverse of x equals to cos inverse of 0. And this gives us 90 degree. X equals to 90 degree. If we want to check this, we can do check to check if the answers are correct. It means that x equals to 90 degree or 0 degree. This is what it means. Let's check the expression. So we have this. So we say check. Well, 5 raised to power sine square x plus 5 raised to power cos square x equals to 6. So if we substitute 0 here, 90 here, we have 5 90 or sine 90 squared. Sine 90 squared plus 5 cos 90 squared equals to 6. So we have that sine 90 will definitely, if you find it from the 4-figure table, you have that is 1. So we have 5 raised to power 1 square plus 5 cos 90 is 0, which is 0 square equals to 6. So this is 5 raised to power 1 plus 5 raised to power 0 equals to 6. 5 plus any number raised to power 0 is 1. So we have 1 equals to 6. Therefore, 6 equals to 6. That means our solution is correct. Don't forget to subscribe, share,